We love our indoor plumbing, and for good reason. It fetches water for us, it cleans the dishes. This indoor plumbing especially, we couldn't easily do without. Helps clean our clothes, delivers us hot water. Even our high efficiency furnaces have condensation that they need to be directed towards a drain. There's a lot of plumbing in our homes these days. Here's a water heater and just a little. Somebody figured when they installed it that this overflow, which discharges water onto the floor from time to time, was close enough to this drain, but that was a bad miscalculation. The water puddles and soaks into the wall behind the water heater. Not all of it makes its way into the drain. And as a result, we have some mold in the wall behind the water heater.